Castor oil for hair growth. How to use it for thicker, healthier hair. Castor oil is a natural remedy known for promoting hair growth, increasing volume, and strengthening strands. Rich in ricinoleic acid, omega-6 fatty acids, and antioxidants, it nourishes the scalp and encourages hair growth. Benefits of castor oil for hair growth: stimulates hair growth, improves blood circulation to hair follicles, strengthens hair strands, reduces breakage and split ends, hydrates scalp, helps with dryness, dandruff, and scalp irritation, adds shine and volume, deeply moisturizes, making hair look fuller and healthier. How to use castor oil for hair growth. 1. Pure castor oil scalp massage. Warm a few drops of castor oil. Massage into the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate circulation. Leave it on for at least 1 hour or overnight for deep conditioning. Wash it out with shampoo. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. 2. Castor oil and coconut oil blend. For easier application, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply to scalp and hair. Leave on for 1 to 2 hours, then rinse. Great for dry or brittle hair. 3. Castor oil and aloe vera gel. For soothing scalp irritation, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Massage into the scalp and leave for 30 to 60 minutes. Helps with dandruff and scalp hydration. 4. Castor oil hair mask with egg and honey. For deep conditioning and volume boost, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply to hair and scalp. Leave for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash. Ideal for dry, frizzy hair. 5. Castor oil and essential oils. For added nourishment, add a few drops of rosemary or peppermint oil to castor oil. Massage into scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Enhances hair growth and improves hair thickness. Tips for best results: use cold-pressed, organic castor oil for maximum benefits. Apply consistently at least 2 to 3 times a week for noticeable results in 1 to 3 months. Wash hair thoroughly after use, as castor oil is thick and sticky. Avoid excessive use to prevent buildup. Diluting it with other oils helps. With regular use, castor oil can transform thin, damaged hair into stronger, thicker, and shinier locks. Ready to give it a try?